Let's look at the Text and Labels tab under Drawing Standards area and Configuration Settings. Click Configure up here, Text and Labels right here tab. First area is the tree ID label settings. You can change the font of those, whatever you want. That's an option. Tree height, you can change it to whatever feet you want, if it needs to be smaller or bigger. Distance from the tree, you can have a background mask, and if you have a background mask, what's that background mask offset for the factor. And then you can preserve the manual label position if you want, or if so, manual label position is if you go in there and move the labels around, it will save those positions. But if you uncheck that and reanalyze, it will do them fresh where they were before, like where they came in at the beginning if you reanalyze. So checked, it keeps your manual placement of the tree ID position, because sometimes there's two tree IDs over each other and you want to move them. But if you're redoing a whole new plan and you just wanted to have it refreshed, you can uncheck that and then check it again later. If you want it to rotate with a UCS, you have that checked. If you want them not, if you want them to be real world coordinates or WCS, then you have that unchecked. For table settings, you can change the font type, but also you could change what color the poor dead and invasive trees columns show up as. For font family for the legend, you can change that here as well with the drop downs. Font family for the tree labels themselves. The tree labels, you can change the text height. This is for paper space height. Arrow size, you can do that. Landing distance, the horizontal landing distance, line length. And then you can do the gap between the landing and the text. For the fields that actually show up, you can click here to see what fields: location, tree ID, impact, DBH, status, condition, and you can add them in the area the way that you want to and rearrange all this stuff as you need to. You want it to, if you want the same for the tree or the impact labels, you do them both. Rotate text with the UCS if you want it to be rotated or not. And then you have the background mask or add background field behind impact labels for so that it makes it to where you can read the labels or not with the impact background hatch, and for tree labels as well in the offset. So any of those changes you made, just make sure you hit save and then reanalyze, and it'll update everything with that information. That's the text and labels under configuration settings.